Have you heard about castor oil? Castor oil comes from a plant called Ricinus communis, and it's been used for a really long time, even in traditional Indian medicine, to help with skin problems, stomach issues, and much more. But does it really work? And how do you use it? Castor oil is a multi-use oil with a history of various uses. Let's start with use number 1. Improve joint health. It's particularly good for joint health, providing relief for those with aching joints and swelling. The oil's components fight joint inflammation, ease pain and tightness, and lubricate joints, improving movement and lessening pain from stiffness. Castor oil also boosts blood flow to joints, bringing more healing nutrients and oxygen while clearing out toxins, which lowers swelling and discomfort. Helps with sleep problems. Castor oil is a great alternative for people having trouble sleeping. Applying a little bit of castor oil on your eyelids before bed can help you relax and fall asleep. But avoid putting too much on your eyelids as it can sting if it gets in your eyes. Aromatherapy with essential oils mixed with castor oil can also help calm you down and improve sleep quality. Constipation. Castor oil works as a laxative, helping muscles move food through the gut and making it easier to go to the bathroom. For adults, a typical dosage is 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 milliliters of castor oil. Take it first thing in the morning on empty stomach before having breakfast to maximize its effect. Remember to use it in moderation to avoid stomach upset or diarrhea. Hair growth. Castor oil can make hair healthier, thicker, and shinier. It increases blood flow to the hair roots, promoting hair growth. It's also effective in untangling hair and treating hair loss issues. You can use it directly or make your own oil blend and massage it onto your hair and scalp and wash it off in few hours, or leave it overnight before washing. Check out the linked video for making your DIY hair growth oil. Strengthens the immune system. Castor oil supports the immune system by improving lymphatic system function, blood circulation, and the health of the thymus gland. It's been used traditionally to treat various health issues and has been shown to boost the production of important immune cells. You can take small amount of castor oil and massage it onto skin, especially over lymph nodes and areas of tension, to promote relaxation and circulation. You can also make your own castor oil packs and apply heat over it as a traditional remedy for various ailments, including immune support. Good for healing small wounds. Castor oil can help heal small wounds by keeping the area moist and preventing dryness. It's especially useful for treating burns, skin sores, and wounds from operations. Cleaning dentures. Soaking dentures in castor oil can help fight off bacteria and fungi buildup, reducing the risk of infections like candidiasis. Reduce inflammation and pain. Castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe swelling and act as a natural pain reliever. It's effective for arthritis, sore muscles, period cramps, bug bites, bruises, and small wounds. Treat fungal infections. Castor oil is effective in fighting fungal infections on the skin, nails, and scalp. It stops the growth and spread of fungus while reducing inflammation and discomfort. Good for dry skin. Castor oil naturally moisturizes the skin, locking in moisture and preventing dryness. It's less expensive than many commercial moisturizers and can be used all over the body. Helps promote healthy digestion. Castor oil encourages regular bowel movements, cleanses the gut, and supports good bacteria growth, which is beneficial for digestion and overall gut health. However, it's crucial to use caution with internal use, as castor oil can cause gastrointestinal upset and should not be ingested without proper guidance from a healthcare professional. Start labor in pregnant women. While controversial, castor oil has been used traditionally to induce labor in pregnant women. It stimulates bowel movements and increases the production of certain fats that help prepare the cervix for birth. This amazing oil has been a trusted remedy for many health issues for years. But make sure to use pure, cold-pressed organic castor oil. This type of castor oil retains more of its natural nutrients and is free from harmful chemicals. So, if you're trying to make your hair, skin, or digestion better, give castor oil a try.